Hi guys, this is John Boy. This is a short tutorial on how to use the new draw mode when you're defining an override area to use for an auto profile override. So click on the plus icon at the bottom from the auto profile override screen, and then it defaults to being in search mode like you were going to search for a state or a county or something, but leave it in that mode because whenever you switch to draw mode you can't move the map around, you can only draw on it. So go to wherever it is you want to draw an area, and let's say you want to have some special profile when you're driving between Indianapolis and Louisville. So zoom in on that area where the both endpoints are on the screen, and then tap where it says search mode at the top right, and changes to draw mode. Now remember, in this draw mode you can't move or zoom the map, so you can only draw on it. So you would go and draw around that region that you want to have a special profile for. Now when you're drawing, lift your finger before you get back to where you started so that the app can close the polygon for you, because if you don't do it right, it won't be a proper polygon and the app won't be able to shade the inside of it like it does for a proper polygon. It'll still work, but it just won't shade it right and it won't look right, and so just try to not do that. So just lift your finger before you get back to where you started and let it close it for you. So when you're drawing something, say if you make a mistake like that last one I made that's not shaded, you can go up here and click undo and it'll get rid of it, or you could click clear. Like if I had multiple ones, so you could go up here and click clear and it'll clear them all. So I'll go back and add this one here for between Indianapolis and Louisville, and then I can switch back to search mode by clicking draw mode, and then I can move the map around. I could add another one. Say I want to cover some of the highway between Indianapolis and Bloomington. I could go back to draw mode and draw this area here. Now I'm not following my own advice to stop way before I get to the end, but anyway, this is just a demo. So once you're done, change back out of draw mode, then you can click use for override, and then you type in a name and save it. And then you can make your other choices to choose which profile, whether or not you want pause to be turned on or off in that region, or if you want to enable it or disable it. And then you can click the map button, it'll show you again what areas were selected, and you're done. That's how hard it is. Let me do I'll add it to something that I've searched for first. So it's going to find Raleigh, Wake County. I'm going to pick that, and then it shows that box because that's all that's available for that area. I'm going to zoom out a little bit, and then let's say I want to add some area of Pittsburgh over here. I'm going to switch to draw mode and draw a circle around Pittsburgh, and then I'm going to select use for override. Now that's going to add it to the area that you named by making your selection, so you won't be able to change the name, but you can see that it stored both areas, and that override will work for when you're in both areas. Okay, that's all. Thanks guys.